Go into your living room? Nope.
And do you want to see the living room?
Sure.
This is the kitchen. This is the laundry room. Dry our clothes here. This is our multi-purpose closet. This is our water hiking activities, backpack pulls, snorkel, scuba gear. This is our kitchen drawer, Paul's clothing drawer, Christine's clothing drawer. I'll just move the kitchen over here. And we've got emergency toilet. Here we've got all of our kitchen utensils, first aid kit, and some chocolate chip sandwich cookies and duct tape. Here's our morning stove, kitchen stove. Up here is all of our random stuff that we might need, from bags, toilet paper, lanterns, sweatshirts, muffins, Ziploc bags.
It's kind of a mixed bag.
Oatmeal, tinfoil, maybe some batteries too. Then you've got the bedroom. Underneath the bedroom you've got Christine's clothes, overflow Paul's clothes, other toiletries, and the dirty clothes. And then up here we've got all of our bedding, winter hats, and our drone cameras and other supplies.
And closet, souvenir closet.
A souvenir closet. And then in the front, we have where we keep all of our books, our literature, because you can't go to Hawaii without the Big Island Reveal book. Tell you where to stop, to camp, to eat, to swim. And then our 2 driver's seats, and we've got curtains for privacy. And open if you need. There you have it.
Alright, I'm just gonna give a quick tour of our shower.
Did you want to see the back? Got a little bit more storage. Another little mini fridge. Some noodles, towels. Kitchen sink. Never leave home without your kitchen sink. You just push the button, fills your water up. As long as you keep your water jug full. There you go. You can sleep with the doors open if you like more air.
In case we run out of shower, let's show them the backup shower.
The backup shower. What do you mean?
The milk jug. That's our backup shower. And we actually have a heated shower too. We combine our breakfast stove with our backup shower to make a heated shower. We're still modifying to get a self-serve shower, a two-handed shower. There you have it.
Yeah?
Mahalo.
Did you forget your...
Oh yeah, the drunken octopus that wants to fight.
Oh. Up front is also where we keep our chairs too. If you need to relax, there's a table here in case you want to pull out.
Which we haven't done yet. We should do that.
Table.
Should we get some burgers today? Okay.
Yeah.
Mahalo, aloha.